Yo, what's good, gang? Mitch here, but it's me, Raffael. But this is my alternative account, Raffael Alpha, so use my African American accent. But oh my god, yeah, come on, alright, gang. Welcome back to legendary Mitch Speaker, man. Gang. Alright, gang. No, I'm a real gangster, man. Real gangster. Real gangster, man. Come on. Man, don't do some bullshit, man. Do some shit, man. Come on, do some shit. Talk some shit. That ain't do nothing right. That ain't do nothing right. That ain't do nothing right. I ain't a fucking Jamaican, man. I'm a fucking African American, man. Come on, dog. Man, so dog. Cannot see everything, right? Cannot see everything, right? But what? Let's see about how would I do? I do some study on a school, right? And show them some. um, I'll go study on a school, right? Right, man. I'm gonna go study on the school, right? On a high school, and some grade 6, right? And some grade 1 to 6. I'ma show them with my study on a high school, right? On a senior high school, right? Shit, hey, come on. Hey, man, I'm a real gangster. Madam, right? Madam, right? My brother Alexander, right? My brother Alexander does some sturdy. Also do some sturdy, fast sturdy, like what cool. We got Alibaba, right? Yeah, Alibaba, right? Mom, right? We get my brother Alibaba, right? My brother Alibaba, right? We get Alibaba, right? My brother Alibaba does some fast sturdy, right? Let me know in the comments. So dark, cannot see everything. Man, bullshit, man. Alright, man. That's for today. I'm about to go. And that's for today. I'm about to go some sturdy on a high school. I'm about to do some sturdy on a high school, right? Let me know in the comments, right? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna go sturdy on a high school. I'm gonna do some sturdy on a high school, right? So it's me, Raffael. Raffael do some sturdy on a high school, right? Man, come on. Alright. Man, come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Here we go again. Come on. Here we go again, man. Here we go again. Alright, man. Here we go. Man, so this is me. So this is me. Okay, again. Okay. I'll try again. This is legendary Mitch Speaker, man. So about that, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Let me know in the comments. So this is Mitch, A.K.A. Raffael. See you there, gang.